because when it comes to human behavior, nothing is static. And if you're not continuously learning, continuously trying to find out more, then you're opening yourself up to biases, to blind spots, and to a whole array of issues that can really become a problem for a brand or a company in any way. And so I think for me, it is about constantly changing. It is about constantly being willing to say, what don't I know? What more is there for me to learn? Is something that every marketer, whether you're in research or whether you're in sales or whether you're in communications, should be asking themselves, what more is there for us to learn? Because in addition to just learning more about your customer, being able to be more relevant to them, it's also, I guarantee you, your competition's probably doing the same thing. And so there's also a little bit of a race there to just be on top of who that customer is, what their needs are, what's relevant to them, and doing it better than your competitors as well.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Podcast. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcast. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sannah Vinding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sannahvinding.com or mindinnovation.com. Stay curious, keep learning.